So I've just unboxed my NextFoto digital photo frame. It's very nicely packaged. It comes with the frame and then a little box that has all the accessories. It comes with 3 different installation guides that cover everything. It says the first step is to plug it in with this plug. It comes with batteries, own screwdriver, which is handy, and a mount if you want to screw it in and mount it on your wall. Now, setup is pretty simple. Once you plug in the digital frame, it'll take you through steps to set it up. You also download the NextFoto app. Here's the NextFoto app. You can just go to your app store and download it, and then you can add photos straight from your phone. You can also see which frames are connected or add more frames. It's very handy and easy to use. And then you can scan the connection code and add photos directly from your phone. You can also add users at any time. So if you go into settings with your remote, go down to My Frame. Click on User Management. And you can invite people by email. It's very handy if you want to share this with family members. And then of course the album you have already set up, you can play with all the adjustments. So I'll show you that now. Go into album settings and you can adjust the brightness, volume of the music you're playing. You can add touch sounds. If you want the sounds to play when it's changing photos, set the language. You can set it as a slideshow and control how often it changes. Leave it at 1 minute. Keep it on slideshow mode or have it show the photos randomly or sequentially. Okay, so I just want to show the finished result of my wonderful digital photo frame now that it's all set up and programmed. Go back to the home page. Just want to show you, like, I've got some photos that I already added. You can see they move through the frame. Oh, I have photos of me and my son, me and my boyfriend, and it's just brilliant. I'm going to show you this new frame or album I created. Just click on that. And this is going to show off the trip to Legoland with my son. So now we can watch it together and remember the trip anytime. I love how the photos move. You can see the whole picture. Pictures are super cute. I know I'm going to enjoy this for many years to come with my son and remember all the great memories we created together going on trips.